Hello, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be frank with you guys. This is like the third intro I've done today because I recorded like 3 videos today. But anyways, hey guys, that's TMI. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back again. And if you're new, if you stumbled on my channel for the very first time, hi, I'm Oyinda, and please don't forget to subscribe because it will mean a lot to me. We are here because you're a fan of skincare, right? Even if you are here because you want to support me, right? This video, as you can tell from the title, is a skincare unboxing video. And if this is something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. Even if you're not interested, just pity me and watch it. Like, pity watch it, right? So my views can accumulate and stuff. Thank you so much. Well, like I said, if this video is definitely something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. So guys, yeah, I've been just update on my skincare. I've been into skincare recently. Like, I've been into skincare recently, learning from dermatologists. Like, dermatologists that actually went to medical school, did residency and all that actually have a degree in medicine. Yes, those type of dermatologists. I've been learning from them and like looking at skincare to get and what is good for my skin and what isn't good for my skin. So this is my second unboxing video basically. So these products are just a refill. I just refilled up on my products, my current products that I ran out of, and I added some things as well, and I swapped out some things. So as you guys all know, I get my products on Boots. I don't know, because they always have deals, they have student discounts and free delivery. So I always shop on Boots. So my packet came in this parcel. It just says Boots since 1849. It says recycle and name, and like my details are here. Not my details because they didn't deliver to my house, but yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. That didn't go as planned. My package comes in this parcel. So just empty paper to ensure that things don't move around. Then I have my cleanser. My CeraVe cleanser is the hydrating cream to foam cleanser. I use this, it's for normal to dry skin because I have dry skin. I use this twice a day. This is like basically like, I feel like this is basically like a soap you use to wash your face. So I wash my face with this twice in the morning and in the night. And it contains like necessary acid I need for my skin. It contains amino acid. It cleanses, hydrates, and removes makeup without disrupting my skin layers. So this became a really hot product like a few months back. It became a really hot product and really dermatologists recommended. Another thing I learned from really following dermatologists is that there's a difference between dermatologist recommended and dermatology tested, which actually makes sense. It's not everything they test that they approve. Sorry, there's a difference between dermatologist approved and dermatologist tested, because it's not everything they test they approve. Sometimes they test stuff and they're like, oh yeah, this is shit, but they did still test it, right? So dermatologist tested doesn't actually necessarily mean dermatologist approved. And it's also different from developed with dermatologists. Developed with dermatologists means that from the making of the product, from the very beginning, dermatologists were involved and they all made it together, if that makes sense. So this product is developed with dermatologists and is dermatologist approved. Yeah, so I use this to clean my face every morning and night. This is my 3rd bottle. I've been on it since I think September last year. I'm not so sure, September last year or late last year, early this year, but this is my 3rd bottle. That is the first thing. I'm out of my current one, so I had to refill. My next product I got is my Neutrogena moisturizer. It's Hydro Boost for normal to combination skin. I use this moisturizer because I see that it's really good for my skin, because my face is very dry, especially like in the winter. Ew, you need to see my skin during winter. Ew, it cracks and it peels. So this, it's like this this moisturizer is it contains hyaluronic acid, and it's like water-based. It's a water-based moisturizer, so it really does a good job for my skin. And yes, what else do I have to say about it? It's yeah, let me see what ingredients. It's oil free, doesn't clog my pores. Yes, it's very lightweight. That's why I use it. It's very lightweight. So they have the water gel, and they had the cream one. The one I just finished was the cream one. I used the water one before that. I've always used the water one, but when I saw the cream one, it was a new product. I was like, oh, let me test this out. It's good, but it feels like moisturizer. How do I explain? I'm used to using this one that feels like water, so that one just felt weird to me. So I'm back to using like the water-based one. So this one is really lightweight, and yes, let me see if I can show you guys how it looks. So guys, this is how it looks. It's very water-based. So guys, my next product from my box is hyaluronic acid. Once again, very good for dry skin. I use this together. I use this in the morning. I use this only in the morning, and I use it after. So my first step is cleanse with my CeraVe cleanser. Then my second step is to go in with my hyaluronic acid, and I go in with my hyaluronic acid. I don't dry my face. I air dry my face, and I ensure my face isn't completely dry before I apply my hyaluronic acid. There has to be like water on my face, because that's what hyaluronic acid does. It locks in the moisture. If you apply a hyaluronic acid on your face, that's doing more, no, I won't say damage. It's not going to do a proper job, because it needs moisture too. It literally holds its weight 1,000 more in water, something like that. But basically my point is that it needs water for it to actually work, because now if it doesn't get, if your face isn't wet, it has to draw out moisture from underneath your skin, which is like, I don't think that's what we want. But anyways guys, I think that's the explanation. So yes, this is hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. It's hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, a hydration support formula with ultra pure virgin hyaluronic acid, 30 ml. So yeah, it says apply a few drops to face in the morning and in the night. You can actually use this in the morning and in the night, but personally I don't like a complicated skincare routine, so I like to leave my nighttime routine like a bit empty. So I use this in the morning, not a bit empty, but like I don't want to have a lot to do at night. So yeah, I use this only in the morning after my moisturizer, after my cleanser. Then I go in with my moisturizer. Is the second step. The next step, now that I think about it, I'm buying everything for my morning routine again. What a coincidence. They all finished at the same time. But anyways, my next product is the Vinci vitamin C. Sorry, I was reading the French side. Lift Active Vitamin C Brightening Skin Corrector. It's Vinci Laboratories. But anyways, this is another product that like dermatologists that I really follow recommend. I was using, if you see my last video, this is my second bottle of vitamin C serum, and if I'm going to be honest with you guys, I didn't even finish my first bottle because it was beginning to irritate. It was beginning to irritate and annoy me. If you watch my last video, I'll link it up here, my last skincare unboxing video, which is up here. I started my vitamin C journey with La Roche-Posay vitamin C serum, and I hated it, so I couldn't even finish it. First of all, it oxidized so fast. It's my new vitamin C serum. I can cut it out. Anyways, it oxidized so fast, and it was in the fridge. So why was it oxidizing that fast? It oxidized so fast, then it didn't apply well. So anytime I apply it like after it dries, after I'm done, like give me 5 minutes, 10 minutes after I'm done my skincare routine, it rubs off your face. And it didn't make sense, because now the vitamin C serum is rubbing off. So how is it going to do what it's supposed to do in the first place? It was just shit. I thought it was just me. Then I took it to Twitter to complain. I'm going to leave the tweet somewhere. And I was like, La Roche-Posay's vitamin C serum should not be treating me like this after this amount of money I paid for it. And someone agreed, and like apparently people also think it's shit. The application is not nice at all. Applying it is terrible. So so I had to switch to Vinci because one dermatologist I follow recommended it. So I'm going to be trying out Vinci for the first time. So yes guys, I use this only in the morning because you get more benefits from using it in the morning and not at night. You can use it in morning and night, but my nighttime routine already consists of a lot. And for example, I use niacinamide at night, and niacinamide and vitamin C serum, they're not the best match. They don't really mix together, so it doesn't make sense to use it at night. So I only use it in the morning. And yes, my next skincare item I got was Albertine, and I got this because Maggie said I should get it because I was deciding between this and lactic acid. Obviously they do different jobs, I know, but I'm broke. couldn't afford them both at the same time, so I decided for Albertine. What does it even do, Maggie? I think it helps clear my dark spots. Yeah, it helps clear dark spots, because anytime I see a transformation video on Instagram,
It evens out your skin.
yes, it evens out your skin. Anytime I see a transformation video on Instagram, what every person has in common is the ordinary Albertine. So yes, I said to get it and try it because I want to see if I can clear up my skin before my graduation. Only a miracle can do that, but we believe in miracles in this household. So this is the last skincare item I got here. And I think I had 2 free gifts that came in. Yes, I had 2 gifts that came in with my 2 sample size that came in with my order. I have this Wishful Yo Glow enzyme scrub, and yes, may your skin wishes come true. Ooh, that's nice, but I'm not really a fan of food. Oh, I take that back before all of you come attack me in my comment section as if. But yes, this is a nice catchphrase. May your skincare wishes come true. So yes, I might use this. I might give it to my guys. AHA, BHA, 1 use. But the thing is, if I use it now, made in South Korea, now that's very catchy. But the thing is that if I use it now, I'm not going to buy the product. So if I don't like it, what will not happen? Then another thing I got is Aqua Gel. Oh, that's very similar to what I use, I guess. 3-in-1 moisturizer for dehydrated skin, which is what I suffer from. But anyways, this is samples I got. Thank you, Boots. And the last thing I got from Boots is a hair care product. I got it because Chisom recommended it because she said it helps her curl, and my natural hair needs more food. I wash it and I shampoo it. I wash it and I condition it, but I think I need to feed it food some more. So yeah, I got this. It's called the Ultimate Blend Nourishing Hair Food Banana and Shea 3-in-1 hair mask for dry hair. This should be for oily. I'll share it with oily. She has very dry hair. But this is my first time using this. It smells decent, and the consistency is very pudding-y. Feels like pudding. But yes, guys, I'm going to be trying this out and see if it's actually good for my hair and my curls, and I'll let you guys know if I ever get around to doing a hair update video. And yes, guys, this is the end of this unboxing. If this video is something you enjoyed, please don't forget to share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel, and also give the video a thumbs up. Help boost my algorithm, guys, please. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.